Judge is now considering whether rapper Travis Scott and other defendants can be dismissed from a civil lawsuit over the 2021 Astroworld tragedy. That's where 10 people died and hundreds more were hurt in Scott's concert. Marcelino Bonito takes a look at what's next in this high-profile case.
A long day in the courtroom as District Court Judge Kristen Hawkins heard more than 3 hours of arguments. Attorneys representing people killed and injured at the deadly 2021 Astroworld Festival making their case why rapper Travis Scott should remain a defendant in the high-stakes civil suit. In November 2021, a crowd crush at the Astroworld Festival killed 10 people and injured hundreds of others. In court, a team of Scott's attorneys argued Scott's primary role at the festival was as a performer. That, they say, means he can't be held responsible for planning and security.
What did the contract say? What was Travis Scott's responsibilities and obligations under the contract? And secondly, what did Travis Scott actually control?
Legal analyst Randy Sorrell says a judge will weigh the arguments before ruling on a summary judgment.
When you have a tragedy of this magnitude, clearly a number of errors were made, and usually by a number of different parties.
Scott is one of several parties targeted in the class action suit. Several of his co-defendants are against the rapper being dismissed from the case.
Most defendants want to have everybody possible in the case so that they can deflect responsibility. In the event they made a mistake, they want to be able to point the finger at other co-defendants.
Attorneys for Apple Inc. and ASM Global, the company that manages NRG Park, also in the courtroom today hoping to be dismissed from the case. Last week, a judge ruled rapper Drake could be dismissed from the lawsuit. A lot of money could be on the line as the lawsuit over one of the deadliest concerts in U.S. history moves closer to trial.
And in cases like this, it would not be unusual for in excess of $1 billion to be discussed for all of the injuries and all of the deaths involved.
All right, so that was Marcelino Bonito reporting. Right now, it's not clear when the judge will rule on yesterday's summary judgment motions, but there's not much time. Now, the first civil trial is supposed to start on May 6th.